Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JLab earbuds with your iPhone. So first of all, you have to remove both earbuds from the charging case. And now you can locate small indicators. They appear just right here. And you have to basically wait until indicators starts blinking. So it will take around a few seconds. Just be patient. As you can see, this one is actually blinking right now. It's not good visible on the camera, but you have to trust me that it is actually blinking. And you have to open the settings. You have to go to the Bluetooth, then click on the switcher. And you have to select your JLab GO Air Sport earbuds. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.